Welcome to the RealPage Multifamily Metric Moment with under 3-minute insights into how key apartment metrics work together. If you want a deeper understanding of how compounded metrics support each other in decision-making, the RealPage Multifamily Metric Moment is for you. Today, we're talking about Workorder Average Days to completion. If you've been in the multifamily industry for more than a hot minute, you already know that the response time to resident requests when something is broken is an incredible driver for retention rates, for Aura scores, and for overall resident satisfaction. When residents share stories with neighbors of poor response times and low-quality repairs, owners can expect residents to stop reporting needed repairs, which in turn increases overall repair costs at turn time. Poor response times are bad for the resident and bad for the owner. Completing work orders in a timely manner definitely impacts bottom line revenue. So for today, let's just focus on a few of my favorite complementary metrics to work order average days to completion. First is work order trends. Is there a non-cyclical increase in work orders? Understanding the trends will help you determine if there's a change in customer behavior or a change in the behavior of the site team. Is there a short staff situation causing the delay in response time? Operating and maintenance expense. Is your service manager over budget on repairs and maintenance costs, perhaps creating a situation where they feel as if they should hold back on orders until the next accounting period? If work order days to completion is unusually high, are there turn costs impacting your ability to take care of the current residents? Or is the site team trying to hit budgeted goals? And are they cutting expenses to prevent missing that performance bonus? And is that something that is impacting response times? And last is make ready percentage. It's a balancing act for any service manager to stay on top of work orders and unit terms with the same intensity. Even more so when capital projects are in play. Is the turn schedule heavy and causing work orders to be behind? So there you have it. A few compounded metrics that help identify work order average days to completion and the opportunities to improve, which is an important indicator to the health of your asset and your financial statement. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to look for the next episode of the RealPage Multifamily Metric Moment next month. Good luck and good leasing.